Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruvanda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhas, Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, and also Nitya Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Rakhak Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So continue, we also discuss about Ramananda Katha. This is very sweet, and because again and again we also discuss about Rai Ramananda Sambad, the conversation between Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Rai Ramananda. Hmm? Because this is the heart of Gaudiya Vaishnavas, and Vaishnava Gaudiya Vaishnava के हृदय स्वरूप है. So according to the requirement of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rai Ramananda, he gave answer, and especially Radha Krishna Tattva and Sadhu and Sadhan Tattva. Because साधन बिना साध्य वस्तु प्राप्ति नहीं হয়. প্রভু এই সাধ্য বস্তু এই অবধি হয় তোমার প্রসাদে জানিনু নিশ্চয়. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I know the sadhu vastu, that means Radha Prem. And Radha Prem, that is called the highest and topmost, the perfection goal. And because Krishna, with the supreme personality of Godhead, sang Bhagavan, he released the all kinds of rasas from the heart of all his devotees. Yeah? Because Chaitanya Chaitamritam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very clearly explained Rasik Shekhar Krishna and Parama Karun. Then Rasik Shekhar Krishna Parama Karun. Then এই দুই হেতু হইতে লীলার উদ্গম, রাগ মার্গে ভক্তি লোক করিতে প্রচারণ, রসিক শেখর কৃষ্ণ পরম করুণ, প্রেম রস নির্যাস করিতে আস্বাদন, রাগ মার্গে ভক্তি লোক করিতে প্রচারণ. Krishna is called Rasika Shekhara. He is the topmost connoisseur of divine love of his devotees. And Paramakarun, simultaneously, he is very compassion and love and affection with the others devotees and his living entities. For this regard, he released the highest frame from Srimati Radhika, and simultaneously, he also distributed this frame to everybody. And in this incarnation, he did not discriminate who is qualified or unqualified. Heno avatare vicharana karila. In this incarnation, he did not discriminate who is qualified and unqualified. Jare tare prem bitarila. And whatever he won, he also distributed this prem. And so now In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, uh, when he heard about the highest prem, that is called Sadhavastu Radha Prem, then Mahaprabhu also asked, how will we attain this highest prem? So I think Sadhavastu Sadhan Bina Keho Nahi Pai, Kripa Kari Kahrai Pavar Upay. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, he asked about sadhan and process. That time, Rai Ramananda Rai Kohi, Jai Kaho, Sei Kohi Bani, He Kohi Chivalamanda Kichu Inarjani. Rai Ramananda very humble. He told, I can't speak anything without your mercy. Eh? Just you manifest all your mercy in my heart, then I can speak that thing. I don't know what is good and what is bad. And কি কহিয়ে ভালো মন্দ কিছুই না জানি, and what is good and what is bad I don't know. Just you manifest all these tattva in my heart, then I can and speak. ত্রিভুবনে ওইছে জইছে হয় কোন ধীর, তোমার তোমার মায়ার নাটে হইবে স্থির. Ramananda continue, he told, in this material world, who can and control his mind, and because your Maya is very powerful. There are two kinds of Maya. One is called Yoga Maya and it is called Mahamaya. In this Mahamaya, all the living entities, they completely were intoxicated and with the enjoying the material sense gratifications and Sattva, Raja and Tamagunas. And no one can escape from your Maya and Jada Maya. And that is also true. So for this regard, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Devi Jesa Gunamai Mama Maya Duratya Mame Vijay Prapadante Mayame Tang Tarantite. My Devi Maya is very powerful. No one can and conquer to her. But one who completely surrender to me, then he can conquer my Maya. And this is also true. And or another Yogamaya, Krishna, he performs all his Leela with his Yogamaya. Yeah. Bhagavano vi taratri sarada utpulla mallika runtu manas chakre Yogamaya mupasritam. And in the beginning of the Rashla Katha, Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit, Bhagavano obi taratri sarada utpulla mallika runtu manas chakre Yogamaya mupasritam. And Lord, that means Krishna, with the supreme personality of God, he is saying Bhagavan. He performs all his lila with his yogamaya. So Bhagavan upi taratri, sarada utpulla mallika, rantu manaschakri yogamaya upasitam. Rantu manaschakri, that means he performed this lila with his pure devotees. And how? Now with his yogamaya. Because yogamaya, she arranged, then Krishna performed all his lila. So maybe in the contest, some your question will come. So that means Yogamaya is higher than Krishna. But you cannot say this word. In this contest, our Goswamis, some Vaishnavas very clearly explain. And one rich person, and he when he used to go take rest or sleep, that time he also gave order and his servant, and you have to make me wake up and after 1 hour or 2 hours. And so the rich man, the servant, also according his order, and he also waked him up. Eh? So that means the servant of the rich person, and he is just following the instruction of his master. In the same way, when Krishna performed all his lila, then Krishna's one potency, that is called Krishna's desires potency, hmm? Ichha Shakti. Krishna's when this Ichha Shakti uh, manifest and coming, then according Krishna's Ichha means desires, and then Yogamaya she perform and arrange all his lila. And so now we coming in this, yeah, just we also discuss Maya, because here also explain যে ত্রিভুবনের মধ্যে ঐছে কোন হয় ধীর তোমার মায়ার নাটে হইবেক স্থির তোমার মায়ার নাটে মানে according your Maya. Then here Maya also another Maya Kripa iti dambhe. Then according to the Sanskrit or Maya means also mercy Kripa. Then that means Mahamaya she also chastised the conditional soul and purified the heart of the conditional soul, because conditional soul they forget to serve to Krishna. So for this regard, Mahamaya, she chastised and means is what to purify the heart of the conditional soul. Then conditional soul they also reverse their face from Maya to Krishna. কৃষ্ণ ফুলি সেই জীব অনাদি বহির্মুখ অতএব মায়া তারে দেয় সংসারে দুঃখ. And because conditional soul they are suffering three folds of and maya, that is sattva, raja and tamagun. And that means is maya is chastised to us conditional soul and how to and reverse our face maya to Krishna. माया के पीछे फैली कृष्ण पाने चाहे भजिते भजिते कृष्ण पाद पद्म पाए. Chaitanya Charitamrita also or Shastra also explain in this way. And when you give off the Maya and turn our face to Krishna and perform bhajan and sadhana, then Maya Devi she will give off to us and to chastisement and give the light into our heart how to attend to Krishna. So this is the duty of Mahamaya. A Yogamaya, then the her duties and how Krishna Lila will be in enlightenment. And this is that. So for this here Rai Ramananda also explained, Prabhu, then only your causeless mercy, Kripa, and here Maya means Kripa. And then I can speak few words and to you. मोर मुखे वक्त तुम्ही हो श्रोता अत्यंत रस सुनो साधने रे कथा. Then continue Rai Ramananda, he told very humble, Prabhu, more mukhe bhakta tumi. Actually, you are the speaker and you are the listeners. That means bhakta and srota, you are same. And I am not the speaker or I am not also listeners, srota. And because just you manifest in my heart, they earn or my mouth, then I can speak. And that things you are listening. And अत्यंत रहस्य सुनो साधने रे कथा. This is very confidential and very secret. So I tell you about the sadhana process, how to attain the highest frame of divine Kula Radha and Krishna. And Radha Krishna in Lila Oti Gudotara. দাস্য বৎসল্যের আদি তম ভাবের না হয় গোচর. Then Ramananda told, রাধা কৃষ্ণের এই লীলা অতি গুরুতর. Radha Krishna, this lila is very, very confident and very secret. eh. Even those who are the devotee of Santa, Dasa, Sakha, and Vatsalya, they cannot understand and they cannot enter in this confidential leelas given to Radha and Krishna. Eh, Actually, Braj no any Santaras. eh. But if Braj needs Santaras, there is a lack of Santaras. How possible? Because all ras is there. So for this regard, in this context, our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained in there. Actual in Vrindavan, there are grass, cows, trees. Actual, though they are called these santaras, actual there is no santaras in there. All they are madhurjaras. Because santaras's qualification and that is called no servitual mood and no possessiveness, mamata. And Santaras one qualification that is called nishtha, steadiness, and with the istadeva, santi nishtha. But in Golok Vrindavan, transcendental world, and, and all they have so much love and affection and mamata towards Krishna. Then one day I told when Krishna used to go herding the cows, and then cows they can run here and there, and Krishna also chasing behind the cows. This is true. And cows they have hooves. They can enter in deep forest and they can walk in the thorn and mud and anywhere they can. And, but Krishna, how did he and to chasing and behind the cows? Actual in Vrindavan, that thrones and mud, everything is what Krishna's seva. And or that time that the thrones, Kantak and Kanta, what will they? They become as like a rubber. Eh? Understand? As like sponge. And if you step your feet on the tip of the throne, and the throne just also massaging your feet. And वहाँ चरण कमल को मालिश कर देंगे. And because in transcendental world, everything that the Krishna anukul. And Jatkinchit Nagulma Kikata Mukam Gosti Samastin Tat Sarvanandamay Mukunda Daitam Lilanukulam Param. Sastri was Putimitam Nastingtam Jancha Brahmadivi Saspino Modiyam Taya Vandati. Raghunath Das Goswami, he composed this verse. And in the transcendental world in Golok Vrindavan, everything is also Krishna Anukulla. Krishna Anukulla, all they are favorable for Krishna Leela. So now coming in this way, why I am saying because in the Yogamaya, so they are saying the Radha Krishna এই লীলা অতি গুড়তর দাস্য বাৎসল্য আদির নাহে এসব গোচর. And here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, some also explain, here the Dasa and Vatsalya, maybe Sakhas they are qualified, but only Sakhas, those who are called Priya Narma Shakha, as like Subal Sridham, and they can just enter in Radha Krishna's sweet Leela, not inside the Kunja. And outside of the Kunja, then Subal Sridham, they are called the Priya Narma Shakha. And when Radha and Krishna they are meeting together, that time Sakhas they cannot enter. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, also one slokas explain this way. When Radha and Krishna meeting together in one confidential and kunja, that time Suval, he also fanning to them because that time and so much sweat dropping from the bodies of Radha and Krishna. Then Subal and he also fanning. But in this context, also explain not Subal is fanning to divine glory Radha and Krishna inside the Kunja. Subal and Subal is fanning to Radha and Krishna outside of the Kunja. Uh, because that time they also use one kind of fan. eh, and their fan is inside, but they also put one what is called rope. eh, and that the outside Subal he can pull and pulling. So that's and fan also and moving. eh, because when inside of Radha and Krishna when they are meeting together, and that time and Subal cannot enter because where is the Radha Krishna's this Leela is going on, any Purush form cannot enter in this place. This is the conclusion of our Shastra. Because Radha Krishna এই লীলা অতি গুরুতর দাস্য বাৎসল্য আদি নাহি এসব গোচর. হ্যাঁ, so those who are dasya ras, sakharas and vatsaras, they cannot also eat. Even our Shastra also explain some kinds of and some what is called Mitra Ras, some is called Vairi Ras. Eh? Mitra Ras, that is called Dasa and Vatsalya, that is called Mitra Ras. Sakha and Singar Ras, that is called Mitra Ras. You understand these things? Eh? And Vairi Ras, Vairi means uh, against and opposite. Satru Ras or Vairi Ras. Satru means enemies. Satru Ras, that is called Vatsalya and Singar Ras. That is called and Vairi Ras. And, and also Singar Ras and Dasa Ras. And Vaisarjikta Dasa Ras. That is also Vairi Ras. And so sometimes Subal, he also just nourishment by helping and the how Radha and Krishna they meet together. But when they are when Radha Krishna they are meeting together in confidential place, and that time Priya Norma Sakhas they are not allowed to enter in the place. So for this regard, sometimes and our Acharya, especially Gauragunda Goswami Maharaj Gurudev, told one the story about Subal Milan Katha. How Subal he also arranged Radha and Krishna meet together. Actually, this katha is very beautiful and attractive. And once, and Jatila very strictly ordered the Srimati Radhika should not go out from her house in Javat. So Srimati Radhika, she strictly and guarded by Jatila and Kutila in Javat. So Srimati Radhika, she could not come out. But before, according to the hints and Ingrid, Krishna have to meet with and Srimati Radhika on the bank of Radha Kunda. But that day Srimati Radhika, she can't to come out from her house in Javat. And then Sakhis, they all and all the Sakhis or all the Sakhis and of Srimati Radhika. And now in no, in Javat also in there. They have also pacified to Srimati Radhika. These things. Eh? So here Krishna came in Radha Kunda. Eh? They have to they meet with eh, Krishna, Srimati Radhika. Eh? So that time Subal is very expert. Subal he told, "Hey Krishna, don't worry, I will arrange." And then Subal he came in Javat. Just he took one small baby cup eh, and twist the tail of the baby calf. Then baby calf jumped and entered in the area of Jatila and Kutila and entered in there. And then Subal, he also chasing behind the baby calf. Then Jatila Kutila become very angry. Hey, Subal, why have you come here? And then Subal very humble told, and hey Jatila Kutila, listen, and my baby calf entered in this area. I have to take this. And that time Jatila Kutila, they also fatting the cow dungs. Gobar there. And Jatil and Subal very humble told, and I am searching of my new baby calf, and that the baby calf also in this area. I am seeing. And also I am very thirsty. मुझे बहुत प्यास लग रहे. So I want to drink water. Eh? Then Jatila Kutila more angry. Hey, why have you come here? Only one, my daughter-in-law, she is the chest lady. You have come here and disturb. Go ahead. Then Swal very humble told, don't worry, and just I want drink water. So please, you can also give water. Then Jatila Kutila, she thinking, if anybody want to drink water, eh, have to give. That time Jatila Kutila, she told, oh, we are fatting the cow dungs, and our body is not also pure. Hmm? So maybe you can go very quick and bring some water from my daughter-in-law, Putrabodhu, Srimati Radhi, and she will give you water. Then Subal very quickly enter in the place of Srimati Radhika and told all these things. Oh, how and Krishna is very eager, want to meet with you. Yeah. Then Srimati Radhika started to crying, and Srimati Radhika she told Subal, how can I meet with my beloved Krishna? Then Subal told, don't worry. Yeah. Just you take my dress. Which dress? Covered by the dress. Eh? Understand? Covered by dress. Because Subal face and Srimati Radhika's face look like same. Eh? Understand? Then Subal, he gave his covered dress to Srimati Radhika, and Srimati Radhika dress and covered by very nicely. But now another problem is coming, how she will to hide her chest. Then Subal told, don't worry, take this. What is called baby calf. And you take the baby calf and hold on your chest. Then Srimati Radhika and dressed silver cloth, very nice, beautiful covered by. And put one cloth and on his head and very nicely tied and jatajut and look this and understand and do this thing. I like sometimes also put the cloth on it. Maybe he's acting the role of Srimati Radhika. And then, and he also took the baby calf on his chest, holding, and then Subal he took Srimati Radhika's dress and sari, and staying inside and cooking something. And now Srimati Radhika she came out from her door. Then Jatila Kutila they are thinking, oh, Subal is going there. Then Jatila Kutila asked, did you drink water? Yes. Then your daughter-in-law, she's very compassionate. And because Subal voice and Srimati Radhika voice also same. And, and in this way, and Srimati Radhika, she came out from Javat and coming to very close to Radha Kunda. And now coming then Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, I have to test Krishna, how much he has to eagerness to meet with him. Krishna, he noticed, Srimati Radhika is not coming. Who is coming? Subal is coming and taking one newborn calf on his chest. And then Srimati Radhika, she also told the same voice of Subal, told, hey Krishna, and listen, I went in Javat and tried to bring to Srimati Radhika is here to meet with you, but not possible. But today, Jatila and Kutila, they are very strict. And so what will do now? And then Krishna's heart melted and tears flowing down. Then Subal, that means Srimati Radhika, she told, Krishna, don't worry. If you give me order, maybe I go to Chandravali's place and bring her. Maybe today you can meet with Chandravali. Then Krishna told, how possible? And if you cannot satisfy the drink the buttermilk and same the taste of milk. घोल के द्वारा दूध की स्वाद नहीं कर सकते. You cannot compare. Understand? दूध की स्वाद, the taste of milk is different. Or the buttermilk, not same, difference. So how possible? Then Subal, that means Srimati Radhika, she told, oh, what will do now? I cannot arrange for you to bring Srimati Radhika here. Then Krishna cried, and Krishna is thinking, today I have to jump in the water of Radha Kunda and give up my body. Because if Srimati Radhika will not meet with me, what is my life? And then Krishna almost tried to jump in the water of Radha Kunda. Then Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Krishna, actually I am not Subal, I am Radhika. And then again, Radha and Krishna, they meet together. Maybe your question will come. Where Srimati Radhika, she got the sari. Maybe your question will come there. Actually, in Vrindavan transcendental world, all the trees, they are called Chintamani. Brahma Samhita also, Chintamani, Parvata Sadbunsu Kalpa Vriksha, Laksha Briti Suruvi Rubi Planta. Chintamani, Parvata Sadbunsu Kalpa Vriksha. All the trees of Vrindavan, they are called Kalpa Vriksha. And Rupa Goswami Pad also explain in Vrindavan and all the trees, they are Kalpa Vriksha. Kalpa Vriksha means is, according to deers, they can manifest anything, whatever you need. So in the same way, the bank of Radha, the trees of bank of Radha Kunda manifested the many sari. Cloths is there. So Srimati Radhika, she wear sari and meet with Krishna and perform sweet lila and on the bank of Radha Kunda. Sweet lila, many kinds of lila is there. Now another question is coming. Then when about 4:30, 4 or 4:30 p.m., That time, Krishna have to return back to Nandagaon, and Srimati Radhika, she have to return back to Javat. Eh, Now question is coming, how Srimati Radhika should return back? That means her dress is Subal dress, eh, and how will she come back and alone also. eh? And another question is coming, how Subal he will come out? How will you come out from the house of Jatila and Kutila Javat? eh? And that time all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, eh, what is called Lalita, Visakha, they came and they told eh, they told to Jatila Kutila, eh, listen, Jatila Kutila, eh, and we are going to bring fetching water from Jobuna or Radhakunda. And so your daughter-in-law, Srimati Radhika, she may go with us and bring water. And then Jatila Kutila told, okay, he can go with you. And so in this way, Subal, who wear Srimati Radhika dress, and then Subal very easy to came out and from Javat and again meet with Krishna. And Subal also gave, Subal also took Srimati Radhika from Srimati Radhika his cowherd dress and exchange all the clothes in this way. Then Srimati Radhika, she took water and fetching the water from Radhakunda or Jamuna and returned back to Javat. In this way, Subal and some places she also and to helping how Radha and Krishna meet together. But where Radha and Krishna they are meeting in confidential place, Nikunja Leela, that time and Subal cannot direct enter in that place. Because Radha Krishna's that Leela is very confidential. And only Akela Purush Krishna, only one male person that Krishna can perform the very confidential Leela with Srimati Radhika. Otherwise, it will be become Rasabhas Dosh. And Ishwar would be there. And so how Radha and Krishna meet together, immersion and kissing in there. So for this regard, Yugma she arranged this way. So here, so for this regard, why I'm saying this? Because this Sakharas, that is called Mitraras of Singaras. Understand this? Sakharas, and this is called Mitraras of Singaras, Radha and Krishna. Just to do helping how Radha and Krishna meeting together. So here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also Radha Krishna Eila Oti Gudatara Das Vatsalya Adi Bhavir Nahoi Gochar. सब एक सखी गणेर यह अधिकार सखी होइते হয় এই লীলার বিস্তার সখী বিনা এই লীলার পুষ্টি নাহি হয় সখী লীলা বিস্তারিয়া সখী আস্বাদয় সখী লীলা সখী বিনা এই লীলার অন্যের নাহি গতি সখী ভাবে জীবাত্মারে করে অনুগতি রাধা কৃষ্ণের কুঞ্জ সেবা সেই সাধ্য পায় সেই সাধ্য পাইতে আর নাহি কো উপায়. So here very clearly explain and Sakhi Vinat a Lila Pusti nahi hai. Without the Sakhis, Lila will be not Pusti, not increasing to meeting to each other, not realizable. Asadhan nahi hoga. So here Sakhi Vinat Sakhi Lila Vistariya Sakhi Lila Asadai. And in this way, the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they arrange this Leela. And in this way, Radha Krishna Leela also and increase and releasable. And Srimati Radhika 5 types of Sakhi. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi, and Priya Sakhi and Prana Prishta Sakhi. 5 types of Sakhis. Sakhi, uh, Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi. They are called also Manjaris because they have Tattat Bhavichamika and Bhakti in there. And our Goswamis explain. Because these are Tattat Bhava Ichhami. That means what kinds of activities manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika during the time of meeting Radha and Krishna. And same thing just reflected in the heart of these Manjaris. Right? Because Manjaris, they are called and Srimati Radhika is very closed and near and dear is Sakhi there. And so now coming in this way, here this also explain this way. And सवेक सखी गणे तथा अधिकार सखी लीला হইতে হয় লীলার বিস্তার सखी लीला এই লীলা सखी बिना এই লীলা पुष्टि नहीं হয় सखी लीला विस्तारिया सखी लीला आस्वादाय सखी बिना এই লীলার অন্য नहीं गति सखी भावे जे करे ताहार হয় অনুগতি राधा कृष्ण कुंज सेवा साध्य सेई पाय हैं সেই সাধ্য পাই তাহার নাহি কো উপায় यार कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी explain in this way and Radha Krishna Lila here also Ujjwal Muni and explain प्रेम लीला विहारणं सम्मोग विस्तारक सखी विश्वंभर रत्न पेटी च अर्थात श्रीमती Radhika's सखीस that the what sakhi that is called Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi. Prana Sakhi and Nitya Sakhis, they also arrange these things Lila. Sri Krishna Premalla Bihar Samugrupe Vistarakarini Sakhi. Yeah, Sakhi means Krishna Vissasarup Ratna Manjusa Sarupa. And we got three kinds of Sakhis again. One is called Krishna Paksha Sakhi, another is called Radha Paksha Sakhi, and is called Ubhay Paksha Sakhi. Krishna Paksha Sakhi, and some Sakhi they inclined towards Krishna. For this regard, they are called Krishna Paksha Sakhis. As like Brinda, Bindarika, Dhanistha, they are called Krishna Paksha Sakhis. And another Ubhay Paksha Sakhis, and they also and serve divine called Radha and Krishna, and but both sides. But sometimes they are leaning again, leaning towards Srimati Radhika's. Or those are Radha Paksha Sakhis, Radha Nishtha Sakhis. They are one pointed with Srimati Radhika. And this is their one basis and guna qualities. And Ovisarudayo Shakhanam Krishna Samarpam Narama Shakasang Nipatta Hridodghatatam Chidra Samvritto to Patadisa Prativanchana Shikha Sangvanam Kali Chasivanam Bhajaniti Dayur Urva Lumbanang Sandisa Premna Tatha Naika Prana Sangrapchang Jatanaval Sakhi Kriya. Here also Ujjwal Muni also in different Sakhis, they have different sevas. How hero and heroine, Naika Naika, they meet together and they also glorified to each others. Prema Vardhanam, Prema Gunot Kirtanam. And how they will also attach to each other. That is called Prema and Asakti Vivardhanam. And how the deep attachment to each others. And they also arrange so how do they Obhisar Abhisarika Naika, that means when Srimati Radhika proceed to meet with her beloved Krishna. Eh? That's rendezvous. And that time, one special Sakhis, maybe Rupamanjari or Ratimanjari, and she also used to go with Srimati Radhika. That thing also Raghunath Das Goswami very nicely explained in his Grantha. Eh? And Madhura Madhura Nisayang, Madhura Madhura Nisayang. In this verse also two kinds of Avishar. And one is called Sukla Paksha Avishar, another is called Krishna Paksha Avishar. Sukla Paksha Avishar, that means Srimati Radhika, she proceed to meet with her beloved Krishna in full moon, full moon night, Jyotsna Paksha. Or another that is called Krishna Paksha Avisarika. That means Srimati Radhika, she proceed to meet with her beloved Krishna in new moon night. That is Krishna Paksha. That time, especially in Amavasya. And that time, the Sakhis, especially these Manjaris, Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjaris, and they also helped how Radha and Krishna, how Krishna will, how Srimati Radhika, she will proceed to meet with her beloved Krishna. This is the thing. So Madhura Madhura Nisayang Jitod Bhasitam. And in the full lit moon night, and Purna Chandrama, that time Srimati Radhika, when she used to go to meet her beloved Krishna, then Srimati Radhika, Duti Nasta Hasta. Duti Nasta Hasta means, and Srimati Radhika, she just and hold the shoulder of Rati Manjari. And Rati Manjari or Rupa Manjari, and then glorified about Krishna's sweet pastimes. And that time Srimati Radhika, she also afraid. Because Srimati Radhika's bodily complexion as like molten gold. And when Srimati Radhika, she used to go in night time, and that time all the direction and for direction completely illuminated and radiance of the bodies of Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, that's okay. And Rati Manjari or Rupa Manjari and covered Srimati Radhika's body with camphor or chandan. Chandan means sandalwood paste. And that time also is Srimati Radhika. This is also explained in our Shastra also. Otherwise, so much radiance, effulgence coming from the body of Srimati Radhika, then whole direction, especially four direction, Chaturdik, complete illuminated. Then people will be surprised what happened. And understand what is called Jyoti. Jyoti means effulgence is going, and everybody turn their eyes towards to Srimati Radhika. For this regard, in this verse, Raghunath Das Goswami also explained, and Madhura Madhura Nisang Jatir Udbhasitam, and Dutir Nasta Hasta. And then Srimati Radhika just she hold her left hand on the shoulder of Rati Manjari, Rupa Manjari, and also and Srimati Radhika's radiance or effulgence and covered with camphor or chandan wood. This way. So Abhisarika here also and how to Nayak Naika base Dharan, and how Srimati Radhika, we put that clothes, because when Srimati Radhika used to go to meet with Krishna in during the time of Shukla Paksha, and that time Srimati Radhika clothes would be in white cloth. Or when Srimati Radhika she rendezvous to meet with her beloved Krishna in Krishna Paksha, and that time they put the cloth of black cloth or what is called blue saris. this in this way. So here also explain this is their also duties. Eh? And they also Monogato Bhav Prakash. They are very expert to express the heart of Srimati Radhika's. Eh? And they also sometimes hide eh, some their fault, the Nayak Naika. Eh? Pativanchakam, Pativanchana, Pativanchana to how to cheat the husband. Eh? Pativanchana. Eh? These things. Shiksha and giving some kinds of lesson and Jatito Nainika Samit Karana and Chamaradi Bhajan. And when Radha and Krishna they are sitting on the Ratna Singhasan, that time Manjaris they also fanning to them with the chamar. And so Raghunath Das Goswami he also used, composed this word Tamul Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Visadi Bindara Namasan Prana Prishta Sakikala Sankojita Bhumika Rupa Manjari Tadasika Aham Sangsrayit. They how to serve and to Radha and Krishna when they are meeting together. They are offering Manjari, they offering Tambul, Bitalnath, and Tambul Prasad, and Raghunath, what is Rupa Goswami Pad also composed these bars. Radhika or Chiami, Vivida Kusama Bilnai, Damiladar, Vivida Maduguna, Keki Pinchi Prasastim, Madhura Bimbodguna, Tamula Ragas, Purtamulang, Kopulang, Radhika or Chayami. Rupa Goswami Pad, he also composed these bars also. And they have Rupa Manjari or Ruti Manjari collected the very nice, beautiful flowers and making garland and decorate the hairs of Srimati Radhika. Vividha Kusuma Binlui Dhammila Dhati, Bigurta Madhugunno Keki Pinchi Prasasti. In the meantime, one peacock came out from the cape of the mountain. When peacock he saw Srimati Radhika's very nice, beautiful curling hairs decorate with the garlands and flowers, then peacock become very ashamed, lajjit ho gaya. Because peacock he is very proud, garbo, for his own and spreading the tails. Moru pankha phila karte, nitya karte. But when the peacock he saw the Srimati Radhika very nice, beautiful crawling, what is called? Crawling hairs and decorate with the flowers. Then peacock become very ashamed and ran away and entered in the cave of the mountain. So Rupa Goswami Padre, Bivida Kusuma Bindu Damila Dhati, Bigurta Madhapurna Keki Pinchi Prasastan, Madhurva Bimbo Digna Tamula Ragam, Spuratamal Kapulanga Radhika or Chayan. Then another verse and another line Rupa Goswami Padre explained, and they again Rupa Manjari or Ruti Manjari, they also prepare very nice, beautiful beetle nut and offered to Lolita. Lolita Devi, she offered to Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she offered to Krishna. Then Krishna is chewing the beetle nut. Then Krishna's lotus leaves, very nicely, beautiful, reddish color. And Srimati Radhika just she was and watching, looking how Krishna's and two leaves, upper and lower leaves, Adhara Ushta become very beautiful after Bimbodhara Ushta. Just watching. Actually, Srimati Radhika is thinking, Krishna's reddish color leaves, and this reddish color is a symptom of anurag. Anurag, deep attachment. So Srimati Radhika, she's thinking this way. When Krishna chewed the beetle nut, then Krishna's Adhara Ushta become very reddish color. And Srimati Radhika, she's remembering about what is called the how to deep attachment towards me and anurag. And anurag means parasparanu sinahanu bandhanam iti anuraga. And how they also deep attachment to each others with their divine love and affection. That is called Prasparanam Sinabandhanam. And Darshane Atriptata, and they are not completely satisfied again and again, taking darshan to each others. Understand? So for this regard, yes, in this way. So Srimati Radhika, she's looking Krishna reddish color lips. She's thinking how Krishna has deep attachment towards me. But Krishna is thinking in opposite way. Krishna is thinking maybe Srimati Radhika, she wants my remnants and Pan Prasad. So Krishna, he also gave his Pan Prasad then to Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika's automatically had man manifest, man coming. Then Srimati Radhika, she turned her face from Krishna. And she does not want to see to face to Krishna again. Yeah. Then Krishna by force embraced to Srimati Radhika and kissing on her cheeks. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this also again. And Jabuna Salil Ahorane Gia Bujibo Jugal Rasa Ar Prema Mugda Hoye Pagalini Prai Gai Radhara Joso. Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this Bengali song and composed. And I will go to Jabuna fetching water, then I will see this Leela. And when I return back in the assembly of the Sakhi Samaj, then I glorify about this Jasakatha of divine Radha and Krishna. So Jabuna Pulin Ahar Anegia Bujiba Jugalaras Prima Mugdahe Pagulini Prai Gaiba Radharajas. Ami Grihe na Jaibo Bone Pravesibo Olila Rosero Tori Ami Grihe na Jaibo Bane Pravesibo Olila Rosero Tori Taji Kulolaj Bhajabrajoraj Vinoda Minoti Kori. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very humble. He completely absorbed on his own transcendental contribution from and Kamal Manjari, and he absorbed Ami Grihe na Jaiva Bane Pravesiva. I will not return back in my house. I will enter in the forest. And Grihe na Jaiva Bane Pravesiva O Lila Rasiratari. And how Radha and Krishna, they also meeting together. Gehna Jiva Bane Pavrisha Ulila Rasik Taji Kulolaj Bhaja Parjaraj Vinod Minoti Kare. Again Bhaktivinoda Thakur very explain Taji Kulolaj and give up all your shyness and do bhajan and serve to divine Radha and Krishna. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari Bolo. And in this way, and actual this is the meaning of Sakhi Bina ei lilar अन्य नहीं गति सखी भावे करे तारे है अनुगति राधा कृष्ण कुंज सेवा साध्य से ही पाए সেই সাধ্য পাইতে তার নাহিক উপায় বলো রাধা রানী কি জয় जय जय श्री राधे गुरु प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि